Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will tell you how to add IDM extension to Google Chrome. If you are facing a problem in adding the extension of IDM to Google Chrome, I will tell you how to resolve this problem. First of all, go to Google Chrome, check the More Tools extension menu. Look, there is not IDM extension present. Now go to C drive on your computer, click on the program files x86 folder, find the internet download manager folder, find the file names idmgc extension.crx, which stands for internet download manager google chrome extension.crx. Drag this file to Google Chrome extension menu. Here it is giving a problem. Extensions, apps and themes can harm your computer. Are you sure you want to continue? I will click on continue. It's saying apps, extensions and user shapes cannot be added from this website. Okay. Here I have an other solution to this problem. Go again to IDM folder, file name idmgc extension.crx. Copy this file and paste it on desktop of your computer. Now select it and choose rename. Rename the last three .crx to .zip zip format. Okay, yes, it will change to zip format. Now create a folder on your desktop. Name this folder with IDM. Now right click on this zip folder of IDM extension. Click on the extract files. Extract these two folders which you have created on your desktop IDM. Okay. Files are extracted in this folder. Now delete this zip folder. Go to Google Chrome and on the developer mode, top right corner of your Google Chrome, there is an option developer mode. On this mode, here it is option load unpacked. Load unpacked. Click on this. Here a menu will be opened. There is a folder which we have created on desktop named IDM. Click on this and click OK. Here the IDM integration module extension is added, but it will not work because it's showing some errors. It will not work. It is showing some error. Now here is the solution for this. It is not working still. It is showing error. Now go to C drive on your computer, program files x86, internet download manager folder, and drag the same file which we have converted in the zip folder, the original file, drag it to the Google Chrome. Now look, it's showing add integration, IDM integration module, add extension. Here it is, IDM extension is added. Now remove this non-workable extension of the IDM. Now IDM extension is added, which will also work properly. Thank you very much.